service too. I can't call anybody. Can't stand anything. I just stuck. Those books on the sulfur.
No, Gary?
What? We're sniffing your bag. Those smell better than sulfur too. Oh, his hat smells better than sulfur. Look at his fart. Jessica, wait. Come on.
This is a really good one.
Brave.
It didn't exist.